Hi, this video is about how to use Smart Swift Pack easily way. With Smart Twix, you should turn on Smart Render Cache right here. And this show all video frame. But first, make sure your timeline and your footage should match FPS, so the effect won't look laggy and choppy. Like normally, we begin with adjustment clip for the first clip. Add a Smart Twix for it and custom like the way you want. I will set boomerang to make reverse edit and custom a little bit. You can wait for render and check if it's good or not. If not, you can slower the speed until you feel it perfect. You can custom the curve if you want like this. After that, expand this adjustment clip until it fills all your clip and cut it out to fit clip by clip. Like I said at the beginning, if you turn on Show All Video Frame, you can hit play and let it render full the timeline like this. I will compound it, because if you not compound next time, you add effect like Smart Overlay. You have to render this Twix again and it costs you more laggy. Just compound everything like I did and let it render again. After render, you can see it runs smoother, right? Now I will show you the magic. Drag another adjustment clip for Smart Zoom. Because we make microwave or reversed edit, so we will need bounce zoom. I will make this 1 is 1.3, you can set it default 1.5 if you want. Then copy and paste attribute like me. Then paste attribute for reverse zoom. I hit this swap like this. You can see we don't need to render the Twix again. Just need to render the zoom and it really fast. I will update in and out motion blur for you all in this pack, so don't forget to check out the pack again if you already bought it. You can use this Smart Motion for new adjustment clip if you want to. About Smart Overlay, it kinda simple. If you saw it call mid, that mean you need to put it between two clips. If not, that mean an effect. If it call in and out, that mean it happen at the begin and end of the clip. Let's make a short edit with this pack. I will add camera shake mid and color mid. You can layer the effect in one adjustment clip if you want like me. Next, hold Alt and drag to make a copy. I will add Swift halftone for next transition. And the last one is Smart One Frame. It not really use one frame, you can use 2 frame of an adjustment clip. It up to your FPS 3 frame for 60 FPS and 2 frame for 30 FPS. Like right here, I use 2 frame for 24 FPS. Just put it on adjustment clip and choose what type of shape you want, that all. All of this works directly in the edit page. No fusion required, no extra hassle. More effects are coming soon, so the price may increase. Get it early, you don't want to miss it. That's it for this video. This pack mainly focuses on smart effects, and you've seen all of them here. The others were already shown in the last video. Big thanks to everyone who bought the pack, and thanks for watching. See you!